Unlike other broom attachments, SweepEx products require no hydraulic or electrical hookups. In fact, there are no moving parts to maintain. Unique to SweepEx are the polypropylene brush sections. The Pro Series broom contains 8 brush sections, while the Mega Series features 11. Each section is outfitted with firm and resilient bristles capable of pushing both heavy and fine material. The unique bristle action also keeps dust and flying debris to a minimum. Material is kept in front of the brushes instead of being thrown into the air. Not only does this result in a more efficient sweeping job, but it also protects the operator, machinery, and surrounding work environment. Pro Series brooms are available in 60 and 72-inch widths. The Mega Series is available in 60, 72, and 96-inch widths. And since the brooms work equally well in forward and reverse, they're great at reaching tight spots. SweepEx brooms feature no moving parts, meaning minimal maintenance compared to all other sweeping options, especially rotary brooms. And SweepEx backs the durability of its products with a 1-year standard warranty. The only wear items are the brush sections, and replacing them is as simple as removing the end protector, changing the brushes, and reassembling. For extended brush life, the sections can also be reversed. SweepEx keeps the design simple and the cost low without sacrificing productivity. SweepEx also offers optional accessories to fit any sweeping job, including a magnetic bar to pick up nails, staples, and metal.